Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a granny stitch pillow. You're going to start in the center. We're going to work around and around in a square. You're going to make it as large as you need it to cover your pillow form, and then slip stitch to join down all four sides. So let's get started. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays, and sometimes a bonus in between. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns, and many of them are free. Or on Etsy, HectaFavorites is my shop name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns. You can work with any size yarn and any size hook. I'm working with a 5.5mm hook and worsted weight yarn. Start with a slip knot, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch to join, and form a ring. Chain 2, work 2 more double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the loop, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. I'm going to make 1 more double crochet, and that's my first 3 double crochet cluster. Chain 1, make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1, make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1, slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. Those are my 4 chain 1 spaces, and they're my 4 corners. Turn the work. Slip stitch in that chain 1 space. Now this is a corner, so I'm going to make 2 3 double crochet clusters in each corner stitch. So chain 2 counts as a double crochet, 2 more double crochet, 1 and 2, chain 1, and make 3 more in that same space. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1. Go to the next chain 1 space in the corner and make 2 3 double crochet clusters, the same as this, in each corner. So 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3, chain 1, and 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so those are my corners. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make another 2 3 double crochet clusters in this chain 1 space, and I'm going to make another one in this chain 1 space, and then I'll come back and show you what to do at the end of the row. Okay, I went ahead and I worked a corner in each one of those corners. There's my last group of 2 double crochet clusters with the chain 1 in between, and now I'm going to chain 1 and I'm going to slip stitch to join in the top of that chain 2. Turn the work, slip stitch in that same chain 1 space, chain 2, make 2 double crochet in that same space, 1 and 2. And now I'm going to work over here in this corner space. So I'm going to chain 1 and I'm going to make 2 3 double crochet clusters in that corner stitch. chain 1, okay, so 3 double crochet clusters in the corner. Now I'm going to go to the next chain 1 space. Now I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to go directly into this chain 1 space and work 3 double crochet. 2 and 3. The next chain 1 space is in a corner, so I'm going to chain 1, go into that corner, and make 2 3 double crochet clusters. So 1, 2, and 3, chain 1, and 3 more double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so each corner will always have 2 3 double crochet clusters, and all the other chain 1 spaces will have 3 double crochet. So chain 1, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. So my next chain 1 space is in a corner, so I will make 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1 in between, then go to the next chain 1 space, make 3 double crochet, chain 1, go to the next, make a corner. So the next row would have a corner here, and then here it'll have 3 double crochet, and here it'll have 3 double crochet, and here it'll have a corner. So here's my pillow cover, and there's my center, and here's my center, and there are all the corners lined up, and in between you work a 3 double crochet cluster in every chain 1 space. And that's how easy it is to crochet this large granny square to make a pillow, a blanket, an afghan, or even a tablecloth. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.